Class 7 Mathematics Chapter 2 Rational Numbers. Find the rational number from the following numbers. Numbers लेना है. Class 7 है exercise 2.1, that is the rational number. What is the rational number? Those numbers which can be written as in the form of P upon Q. P numerator and Q is as a denominator. But Q is never equal to 0. Q कभी भी 0 के इक्वल नहीं होना चाहिए. P may be any numbers, positive or negative. So the question is this. First question, how can find this? So first you multiply to both the two numbers. So 4 to the 8, 8 upon 2. Third one is 4 3 to 12 upon 1 3 to 3, and so on. These are the answers. Similarly, minus 3 by 7, 3 2 ja 6 upon 14. And here is 3 3 ja 9 upon 21. It is your answer. And what about 2? You can write here 27 upon 1 with minus sign. 54 upon 2. Once again, minus 108 upon 4. So these are the answers. मल्टीप्लाई करनी है आपको ऊपर नीचे दोनों डिनोमिनेटर में भी और न्यूमिनेटर में भी, तो नंबर फाइंड कर सकते हैं. Now question number 2, convert the following numbers into rational numbers. How can convert? Here is 3 numbers. So minus 38, you can say minus 38 upon 1. 17, you can say 17 upon 1. And 0, you can say 0 upon 1. These are the answers. Question number 3, write 3 equivalent rational numbers for each of the following rational numbers. First is 1 upon 5, second one is minus 3 upon 2. So how can convert into? First you multiply by 2 on both numerator and denominator. So it is 2 by 10. Now 3 by 15, 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है और 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, तो 4 upon 20. These are the answers. And this one, it is also, you can do same type. First you 2 multiply by 2, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो इनको. So 2 3 जा 6 and 2 4 जा 8. इसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, 3 3 जा 9 और 3 4 जा 12. 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए, minus 4 3 जा 12 and 4 4 ja 16. That is your answer. Choose the equivalent rational number from the following rational numbers. ये rational numbers given है, इसमें से equivalent rational numbers count करने हैं. So 4 upon 12, so 1 upon 3 and 25.75. As you know, 25 1 ja 25 and 25 3 ja. So 1 by 3, 4 1 ja 4 and 4 3 ja 12. So all the numbers are 1 by 3. So that is your answer. Express minus 3 by 8 into equivalent rational numbers. First one is numerator is minus 6. This one is numerator and this is your denominator. So how can say it is minus 6? You can multiply by 2. So minus 3 into 2 upon 8 into 2. So it becomes minus 6 upon 16. So that is your answer. In this denominator is minus 24. How can say minus 24? Whenever 8 is multiplied by 3. So it is 3 upon minus 8 into 3 into 3. So it becomes 9 upon minus 24. That is your answer. Denominator, this one. So this one is equal. Numerator is minus 6. So numerator is minus 6. That is your answer. Find the value of A if the following pairs are equivalent rational numbers. These pairs are equivalent rational numbers. So first of all, 2 by 3 equal to 8 by A. So A is here. So 8 into 3 upon 2. 2 4 ja 8. So A is equal to 3 4 ja 12. That is your answer. Similarly, it is 3 upon 7 is equal to A upon 35. So A is equal to इसकी मल्टीप्लाई इधर हो जाएगी 3 by 7 into 35. So 7 5 ja 35. So it's equal to 3 5 ja 15 is your answer. Fill up the box with appropriate symbols that is greater than, equal to and less than. How can first one 3 by 2 and 5 by 4. What happened in this? First of all 3 by 2 you can write here and 5 by 4. इसका एलसीएम सेम करना है आपको. So it becomes 3 by 2 multiply by 2, that is 6 by 4, and here is 5 by 4, 5 by 4. So this one is greater. This number is greater. So you can say it is greater than this symbol. And what about to this? Minus 15 upon 7. And here is 3 upon 7. Minus minus cancel out. So here is 15 is greater, 7 7 both are equal, so 15 is greater. So you can say it is greater number, and that is your answer. And you can do all other parts similarly. First of all, between the two rational numbers, which is bigger? First one is minus 21 upon 20 and second number is minus 6. So first of all, minus 21 upon 20 and minus 6 upon 1. You can write this and do the denominator same. So minus 21 upon 20, and here is you can multiply with 20. So 1 into 20, so it becomes minus 120 upon 20, and here is 21 upon 20. So both denominator are same, but this number is bigger because negative sign numbers are larger, then they becomes smaller. So that one is bigger. So minus 21 upon 20 is bigger. Similarly, in this question, 7 upon 9 and here is 3 upon 7. First, denominator को same करना है. How can do the same? It is multiply by 7 into 7 and it is multiply by 9 into 9. What will be happen? 7 7 ja 49 and it is 63, and here जो है 27 upon 63. Which one is bigger? This one is bigger. It is your bigger number, so you can say 7 upon 9 is bigger. 7 upon 9 is bigger. Question number 5. Between the two decimal numbers, which is smaller? मतलब अब हमें smaller numbers को सर्च करना है. So first of this one pair, so we can write 5 upon 1, and here is 13 upon 3. First of all, we can do the denominator same, so it is multiplied by 3. So 5 into 3 upon 1 into 3. So it becomes 15 upon 3. The denominator is same, but in this numbers 13 is smaller. So this number is smaller. This number is smaller. So your answer is 13 upon 3 is smaller. in this question there is 6 and there is 3. So first of all डिनोमिनेटर को सेम करना है. So 4 upon minus 6 it is minus 7 into 2 upon 3 into 2. सेम कर दिया हमने. So it becomes 4 upon 6 equal to minus 14 upon 6. डिनोमिनेटर इसके सेम हो गए. इसमें स्मॉलर नंबर जो है रियल में ये नेगेटिव साइन होने की वजह से जो बिगर है वही स्मॉलर हो जाते हैं. सो स्मॉलर नंबर इज दिस वन. दिस नंबर इज स्मॉलर, सो इट इज ऑल्सो स्मॉलर नंबर. सो minus 7/3 is smaller number. Question number 6. Write the given numbers in ascending order. First of all 2/6 and minus 4/12 minus 9/27 minus 5/18. So first इसको सिमिलर बनाएंगे सिंपल फॉर्म में. So 2 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. So 2 1 जा 2, 2 3 जा 6. Here is 4 1 जा 4 and 4 3 जा 12. Here is 9 1 जा 9 and 9 3 जा this one. So we can write here 1/3. It becomes minus 1/3, and here is minus 1/3, and here is minus 5/18. What happen now? डिनोमिनेटर को सेम करना है. So multiply by 6. So it is 6/18, and it is minus 6/18, and it is minus 6/18, and here is minus 5/18. Now you can write in ascending order. First of all, we can write the smallest number. Which one is smallest number? That means this one is your smallest number. No, these two numbers are smallest numbers. So you can say 6/18 minus 6/18, then minus 5/18, and last 6/18. So that is the answer. You can write. Six upon 18, that is minus 4/12. This minus 6/18, it is minus 9/27, minus 5/18, and one number is 6/18. Where is 6/18? That is the 2/6. That is your Julie wrote some of the following statement and asked her friend to find out whether these are true or false statement. First one, minus 8/-3 is placed at the right side of the 0 on the number line. That is the true. You can write here true. Second hand, 19/-5 is placed at the right side of the 0 on number line. It is your false. So you can write false. Now third one, 3/4 and minus 2/7 are placed at the right and left side of 0 respectively. It is your true. So you can write true. Ritesh go to the market by walk after going 9/2 kilometer in east direction. He remains crossed his destination. Then he turns back and walk 1/2 kilometer in west direction. By representing an on number line. Tell the distance between his current position and home. Suppose it is your home and it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This one is 4.5 and that is 9 by 2. It is the market position, and when turn half kilometer, it will reaches at 4 kilometer. The remaining part is 4 kilometers, so your answer is 4 kilometers, and that is on number line.